Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this short video, we're going to have a look at how to make a 2-strand double cow's hitch paracord core for a paracord bracelet with a buckle. I wanted to make this short video so I can refer to it in future videos, like my next video on how to make a baby sanctified paracord bracelet, like this one. That way I can save time in future videos and skip showing the setup all the time. Okay, let's get started and make this 2-strand double cow's hitch paracord core. You'll need a buckle or clasp and a bit of paracord. I'm just going to use a short scrap piece for this video, but of course the setup is the same. Begin by finding the center of your length of paracord, but offset it an inch or two. Then pass the bight through the top of your buckle and tie your first cow hitch. From there, the right side, that should be slightly longer of the two, passes through the front of the buckle and then through this loop you've created. Now the right strand goes through the back side of the buckle and then through this new loop. From there, cinch up and adjust your knot. If one of your ends is a bit longer, you can take a bit of time to even them out, but it's probably not going to make that much of a difference when you start to make your paracord bracelet. Now that the one side is finished, we can tie the double cow hitch to the other side of the buckle. Of course, when you're setting up a paracord bracelet, you want to make sure that you have the proper side of your buckle at each end, so when you're finished, you can clasp them together. If you were making a bracelet, right now would be a good time to set up with your jig, if you're using one, and adjust the length to fit the size of your bracelet you're making. So for the other buckle, we'll start with the right strand of paracord and pass it through the top. Then bring the strand to the left side, bring it across, and then pass it through the buckle again, but this time through the back of the buckle, and then through the loop we've created to complete this cow hitch. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Pass the left strand through the front of the buckle and then through the center of the strands as shown here. Cross it over the left strand and then, like we did with the other side, take it behind and pass it through the buckle. It might be a bit tight passing the cord through at this stage, but you can just squeeze the other cords over to make a bit of space for the end to pass through. Once you get then through the buckle, pass it through the loop to finish the last cow hitch. Okay, so there you have it. That's how to make a 2-strand double cow's hitch paracord core for a paracord bracelet. If you're just getting started learning how to tie paracord knots, then I'd like to recommend my video 10 paracord knots that every paracorder should know. I hope you check it out, and thanks for watching.